There's very few things that make me giddy like a little girl, and cars are one of those things. And I need a camera mount. And this has been an interesting experience, but overall I'm pretty happy about the purchase. So I will be doing a, I guess a little bit more talking from the car from now on. Maybe. Alright, anyways, what day is it? I don't know. All I know is that I'm not working, which is a day off. So today I'm gonna head over to the gym. I'm looking to get a hyper workout in. I'll get a camera mount. I know. I'll get a camera mount, don't worry. I'm looking to get a hyper workout in. This is the first pull I'll do after the deload. And although I've been feeling good on all of my lifts, I found myself like getting really high on my beltless deadlift. So we'll see if that just kind of continues to fucking push through. So that was a weird movement. Yeah, and I think Tyler is gonna be with us today, and maybe a special guest. Now I am going to UFit, which means that I will not be able to record as much, if any. So we'll see. I guess you guys will see how much I got to record. Looks like the youngins are up and going already. I'm a little late. What's up, Tyler? Post-workout, what do you got to eat, man? What do you got to eat? He's all embarrassed. It's not YouTube, dog. What do you got? Chicken sandwich?
Got a chicken sandwich, got some fries, Dr. Pepper, got some buffalo sauce. I eat everything with buffalo sauce.
Interesting. I don't know what you just did. I think you just like squirted on him. What did you do?
Oh my gosh.
Weirdos. What did you do?
Well, I was sipping it and the straw just came out of my mouth and it just went everywhere. Sorry, Tyler.
It's biological warfare. That's that is. Alright, what do you got?
I got an 8-piece chicken nugget. Looks good, huh?
You already ate 4 pieces?
It's pretty disappointing.
Yeah.
Alright, my food.
What do you got?
Chicken wrap thing. Fries that are oddly shaped.
They're called waffle fries?
Yeah, whatever you said.
Waffle fries.
Chicken sandwich. And some hot sauce. The hot sauce makes the chicken sandwich.
Texas Pete hot sauce.
You gotta have this on this. Yeah, it's over there on the little thing. What'd you think of pull workout?
I am so tired. That was like so hard.
Tyler, how do you feel like doing after doing one pull workout? Because you don't ever do them. Even though I gave you the program.
I do the pull workout minus the deadlift.
My disappointment. All right, I'm gonna eat. Bye-bye.